Okay, while I get some gas, Eric, let's get flyers on every pole around here, stickers on poles too. Do you have brochures for people?
No brochures.
Okay, that's cool. Maybe just give them some flyers if you see anybody, okay?
Sounds good.
Second day out on the road right now, and learning every opportunity, or everywhere you go is an opportunity for activism, you know? So Eric's been putting up flyers, it's been great. Kim, I think it's a little hot for her out here, but she's been really doing a great job when she can, and I mean, she is helping out, she's helping out, you know?
It's spies! It's spies! It's spies! It's spies!
So this is really satire. I mean, you don't really believe that that happened, correct? This is a satirical campaign to make the point that what? You're looking at me like, no, it's not satire. I really do believe this.
Honestly, it's kind of offensive.
I would like to bring some stats to your attention before we go this evening. Have you ever wondered why bird poop falls on your car rather than the ground? Maybe because it's a liquidated tracking apparatus sent out by the government